Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I do apologize that I have not been posting. I've just been going through a lot, plus with school, studying and everything, it's been a lot for me to be doing videos consistently. But this is a video that I made about a hairstyle that I did. So what I used basically was the faux loc crochet, and then I used the eco gel, and then also the I would say the edge brush. Those are the products that I used. So let me show you the products and then we'll go ahead and roll the video. So this is what I bought. It's the same one that I had before, and this is the one that I used, and then I just used the edge brush. I'm not really too good at doing edges. I'm still learning, but it's something that my daughter's teaching me, and she's 13, so she knows that I do them. And then I just this one's really good for my hair. I can't use like black gel because it really messes up my hair, but I use this gel for my hair. Plus my daughter uses the same gel as well. So let's go ahead and roll this clip so that way you guys can see how I did this bun look, because I was having a hard time to do the actual bun with just my hair, so I had to add the faux loc hair. So it turned out good. I got some good compliments on it, so let's go. Hey guys, so basically this is my hair now. I washed it 2 days ago with rice water. I deep conditioned it. So I did that for actually I haven't washed it for almost 2-3 weeks, which is kind of bad because usually I wash it every 2 weeks, but I got tired. I haven't, like I said, I haven't been feeling too good, so yeah, just being silly. But it is growing. I mean, you can tell that there is growth. I mean, it grew longer than before. I mean, I've been, I think, natural for 2-3 years now. I haven't used any relaxers, any heat or anything in my hair. In here, you're going to see me brushing my hair because I got frustrated. I'm using the Eco Gel to basically style it back. And trust me, I really got frustrated with my hair today because I was in a rush. I was going somewhere and it just didn't want to do what I wanted it to do. So yeah, so I had a string that I was going to use for my hair. And I didn't buy it. I just used one from my I just used one for my African wrappers. One of my wrappers I just ripped apart and took it from there. Sorry, you guys. I was just feeling my hair like literally. I'm happy. I'm going natural because I'm tired of just wearing a lot of weave and fake hair. I want to take care of my own hair. So this is, a challenge, a journey and a challenge for me because I'm learning to do different hairstyles for the first time with my hair. So you guys, this kind of was a little bit tight, but that's how I wanted it to be. And it was really tight. I wouldn't go back the way that I wanted it, though. Yeah, I mean, like, people on YouTube make it look so easy, but it's hard. Like, it took me some time to get this down. Just making sure that you're tying it tight enough, not too tight, but tight enough where it stays. So I just basically puffed it out. And yeah, so I thought this is the style I was going for. Then I tried the bun. My hair is not long enough for that poofy thing. That usually my daughter's the one that uses it. So I decided to try to use it for my hair, but that was not going to work because my hair wouldn't even go over it. I mean, my hair is growing, but it hasn't grown yet to cover that. Or it's just basically the way that I styled it. Maybe that's why it wasn't going over. Yeah, I had to brush it. I usually use my hands, but I had to brush. And I like that brush because it like detangleizes your hair really well, and there's not that much breakage once you do that. And you guys can see that I was like literally frustrated. Like I was getting so frustrated with this hairstyle. Mind you, because I was going somewhere. That's why if I had the time, I would have literally took my time and make sure that went over. So I was tired. I was done. I was not having it. It was just too much. Yeah, we're just gonna start from 0 to see where what other styles we can do. I was not having it. I tried just to leave it like that, just to make a split and just leave it like that, but I don't know. I'm learning, you guys. I'm learning to do new hairstyles through this hair journey. And I love that, like, all these girls can just come on here and just, bam, like, just do a cute style and they're done. But for me, it takes me a little bit long. I mean, it takes me a minute to do all that. So basically, this is how I was just going to leave it. Just part it. And mind you, my hair is getting thicker. Like, it's not thinning, it's getting thicker. You guys, it's just, I was not having it. This hair was not wanting to do what I wanted it to do. Like, I think today was just like a challenge with this hair. Usually I have ideas to do with this hair, but today it was just beating me in the buttocks. Like, if I was just not having it today. It was just too much for me. Yeah, I was just trying to figure out different hairstyles that I could do to try to get it to work. And I actually went late to church because of this hair. Like, literally, I was late. It did not want to. It's not wanting to do what I wanted it to do. So you guys, I had like different ideas in my head. I was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna look so cute once I'm done. And then once I put it together, it's like, oh man, what is going on? Like, I am not having it. So I give up. I was done, tired. So y'all just be patient with me, okay? Bam. Then we came back with another style. So I ended up using the faux loc hair that I had left over from when I did my crochet. And I'll show you guys how I did it. So what I did, I just took some and I opened them. Open them like that, like a hair tie. And just ended up opening all of them. And I put a lot. I think I put like 2 bags worth of those, two of them. So what I'm doing is just opening them like a hair tie. And then I go ahead and put it on my hair. Like that. Then I did it again for the other side, so that way it can be even. I just didn't want one side having more hair than the other, so I wanted to even it out. That's why I was doing side to side, so that way it's just like not one area has hair and the other area doesn't have hair. So I just put it down like it was a hair tie. I didn't even need pins. That was a good thing. I mean, I didn't even have pins, so it played out right. It played out really good for me that I could just put it on like a hair tie, so that way I didn't need to pin it down. So I'm doing the rest of the other side, just making sure that it's all the way down, that it's not gonna come off, and then I just flipped it on the other side so that way it can cover the middle. That's what I really wanted it to do, was to cover the middle. So that way you don't see the middle part. And then I used a hair tie to hold it. Now you can use any hair tie, but this is just the one that I preferred to use, just to hold it down. And you guys, I needed bobby pins, but I didn't have any, and I didn't have time to be looking for some, so I did what I did just to keep it in. But make sure you use bobby pins so that way it actually stays in. So just making sure that it was even, because I didn't want one side bigger than the other. So I'm just going to show you guys how it actually stayed in. And then you guys, so I'm just learning to do my edges, and I'm so excited that I'm learning. Just watching a lot of YouTube videos. I am actually learning how to do these edges. Pretty soon I'm going to be a pro, watch me. Eventually I'm just going to come in here and just be like, bam, just slaying these edges. But for now, I'm just learning how to do them. I really thought that edges didn't look good on me, but then actually doing this hairstyle, I saw the difference. Like, it looked really nice on me. My hair did turn out really good today, and I was so proud of myself, you guys. I was like literally like really happy, like really jumping inside, like that I accomplished this hairstyle by myself without even watching a YouTube tutorial. Like, So this was the final result, and you guys look at the back, like it looked really nice, like literally really nice. And I wanted to add more hair just because I feel like it didn't I just needed to even it out more. So you guys, when I'm looking down, it's just I'm trying to I think I was trying to get more hair in. I just needed it to be a little bit more even. So that way it could turn out right. So all I did was I just took some more, added it like a hair tie, you guys. I didn't even need to pin it down like I said. It actually didn't need to get pinned down with the hair tie. It actually did a good job staying in. It didn't even come out the whole entire day. And I didn't, like I said, I didn't need to pin it. It didn't come out at all. So if you want to, you can pin it. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But it blends in like my own natural hair, you guys. It looked really cute. Like it looked like my own hair. Like you couldn't even tell that it was fake. So I'm gonna be taking some more hair to put on the other side, so that way I can balance it out. So that way it's even. So one side is not, it doesn't have more hair than the other. But this is just like the Vivica Fox crochet hair. It's faux loc hair, so it opens up. It's easy, so you just open it up, and then it opens up like a hair tie, and then you just place it on there. So you guys make sure it's open a little bit, especially when you're adding, so that way it can go all the way to the other side, so it doesn't mess up what you have already put down. So you see how the bun now, it's a little bit bigger. That's what I was going for. I didn't want it to look small, then it's gonna look awkward. But this is what I was going for, is that big bun look. I wanted for it to be a little bit big. So that's the back of it. You guys don't mind my bed back there. Like literally, I was in a hurry. I was in a rush. I hope you guys liked the hairstyle. Stay tuned for more videos like that. What I'm passing through is just basically different products you're able to utilize for your hair. I really like the Share Moisturizer. I've never tried the Cocoa Whip Cream. I haven't tried that, but I will try it. This is to stimulate your hair. And then the cap, I really love this cap. I don't have one yet, but these are the other products that you're able to use. Hair Perfector, oil cream for pearls, and then shea butter or moisturizer.